Let's have a look at how we can connect different holes in Blender. So if your mesh has a hole that completely divides it in two, what you want to do is select each of the edge loops and then Ctrl E to bring up the edge menu and then bridge edge loops. You then have a few options here. For example, you can add an amount of cuts into the join. But you need a different approach if instead of having an object that's broken in two, you've got a hole within your object. If you have this, then selecting the edge loops on either side and then using bridge edge loops is going to create a really ugly result that's not going to actually solve the problem. As you can see, it ends up flat and doesn't actually properly connect all of the sides. Instead, use Alt and click to select all of the edges on the outside, and then instead use Ctrl and F, and that gives you the option to grid fill. And as long as you've got an equal number of vertices on either side, that'll create a grid, and you can see that continues the curvature of the object, which makes this a really useful tool to use.